Welcome to another session in Math in a Class. Today we are going to learn more math skills. In our list, we are going to learn prime factorization. So let's go with definition of terms first. What is prime factorization? Well, it's getting the factors of a number using prime numbers. So I want you to go back to what we learned the last time. We talked about prime numbers. It would be easier for us to do this since we already have the stored knowledge on prime numbers. Well, you might ask, what's the sense of having prime factorization? How can we use this? Well, let me tell you this. Well, prime numbers can really help us out in finding the greatest common factor when we factor polynomials or we find the least common multiple. I find this one easier and more accurate. So how is prime factorization done? Well, I was able to come across three ways. One is factor tree, the other one is inverse division, and the third one is listing. Today we are going to put it as a goal to master the factor 3 as we are going to engage in prime factorization. So let us start with a single digit. So let's say we have there 8. So how do we use the factor tree to be able to find our prime factors? So think of those prime numbers. Can you think of those prime numbers in between 1 and 10? So I know you have that one in your list. We have this. So 2, you got 3, 5, 7. So these 4 would be our prime numbers in between that range there, 1 and 10. 1 to 10 rather. So let us say we have 8. So what we are going to do is to draw 2 lines underneath the 8. So that one would represent the factors of 8. So you can now start of thinking what are those factors that would have a prime number that when you multiply, you will get 8. So I can have 2 and 4, right? Because I know 4 and 2, when you multiply that will give me 8. I'll have 2 and 4. Now remember, our goal is to get all those prime numbers because they would be our factors because it's prime factorization. So here we got 2 and we got also 4. So now we have 2 and 4 as our factors. So we know there's only one there that's a prime number, which is 2. 4 is still a composite number. It's not a prime number. So what are those two factors that when we multiply together, the result would be 4, and these two would be prime numbers? And you're correct. That would be 2 and 2. So draw another 2 lines below 4. Then write down the factors. You have there 2 and 2. And then we'll stop there because what we have are 3 prime numbers, 2, 2, and 2. So what are the prime factors of 8? We got 2 times 2 times 2. So let us have now 2-digit number. Let's say we got there 12. Earlier we draw 2 lines below the number. So let's draw 2 lines there. That's 12. And look for factors of 12, which you could already have a prime number on the side. So I could only think of 3 and 4 because that one can give me 12, or it could be 2 and 6. So I could start with 3 and 4. So now that I have that one there, 3 and 4, there's only one prime number, which is 3, right? So what will we do with 4? Get now the factors of 4 and take note, these factors would be prime numbers. So same thing earlier, 4 is 2 and 2. You're correct. So when we have 2 times 2, that would give us 4. We will stop there because we're able to come up with prime numbers that would be our factors. So what do we have there as factors? So we have 2, 2, and 3. 2 2s and 1 3. Another example, what if we have there 36? 36 can have several factors, right? You can start with 9 and 4, 6 and 6. you get 12 and 3. So either way, you can use all those factors first. Remember, our goal here is to get the prime numbers. They will become factors of the given number. So once again, draw a line below that number 36. So I could use 12 and 3. Okay, so I have there already one prime number. So that would be 3. So I have on the other side 12. So I need to look now for factors of 12 that would have a prime number. So I could have also 4 and 3. So 4 and 3 there. So I have two prime numbers, 2 3s. How about 4? 4 is still not a prime number. I need now to find factors of 4 that has prime numbers. And that would be 2 and 2. You are correct. So what are the factors of 36? We got 2 3s and 2 2s. Make sure you're going to write that one in order though. So you can start with the smallest number and then the highest number. And that's it. So that is how you are going to do prime factorization using the factor tree method. Thank you for watching this one, and look out for prime factorization using inverse division.